place was mowed like a lawn, all in here. Back of it here, that was all mowed, all around the building, and all around the house. There was a drag shed out there. Fellow one day took a spell, and he went right through and took the side of it right out, and they tore it down after that, coming along the road. Yeah, Donald Doherty it was. He kind of fell asleep or something when he was driving. Yeah. That's gone. That was all mowed. I had that all mowed all right through there and looked beautiful. But it served its purpose for me anyway. Don't look very good now, does it? No. That's all. I fixed it up, made it nice and warm for my cattle. It was good.
A couple of wild sort of apple trees, and the apples weren't bad. Like the apples were red, and the other one had yellow apples.
Yeah.
Go down to the brook to go fishing. You'd go across that pasture, climb over the fence, truck across the field, and then climb down the fence over there, eh? Isn't that right, Daryl? We fished a few times.
There was nothing more peaceful than the sound of the water going over the rocks and pulling out a little fish that I thought that were as big as they get. And
so relaxed. So I remember Edson Bowlby, our great-grandfather, back when you and I were maybe 5 or less, and he was just such a kind, he was like Grammy. She was like that, eh? Like she just was such a nice kind person, and so was he. And I could tell Daryl that he liked us. We were great-grandchildren. I could tell. He didn't have to, but he smiled at us, and he gave us each. He would always give us each a nickel. Back in those days, that was something. Yeah, he always gave us money. But I remember he had this bushy mustache. Yeah.
I don't remember anything.
I don't know what year.
well, I was like 4 months old and he died, something like that.
Yeah, did he die like in 58 or?
58.
Yeah.
So I was born in January.
We were pretty young kids.
3, so that explains that.
We were pretty young kids at the time. And I can remember him sitting outside, like right there, like.
All right.
What do you think?
I guess that's where the house was, right there, huh?
Yeah, it's just a pile of dirt now.
Oh my goodness. It's hard to realize. It isn't even the basement there anymore.
It's over there by the tree.
The door's locked. Where is the basement?
Oh, I thought you said the basin. Stones. I don't know. Nothing looks familiar to me.
No, it don't. See, we used to be able to look right down to the shore.
Yeah, it's all grown up.
The water. When they built the first house that was built on this land here, my grandfather, and he was 11 years old. When he came home from school, the house was gone, just about like it is now. So what happened, they had lived in the wagon house, which was somewhere along there, and that for 2 years while they built the other house. And now this is the second house that burned. I always dreamt about this house burning. This is gone. They're going to build a new one here, I guess.
Not much left.
No, there is not much left.
Yeah.
Can't even have any memories, because don't even hardly look
Oh,
like the
no,
flat.
it looks altogether different.
Only thing I recognize is down there.
Yeah, well, that land was sold to somebody.
You know, there used to be an orchard down there, Greg.
They've
there
grown a garden down there. See the outhouse?
Yeah, it used to be a...
That belongs, and to the brook, they own the land.
Down there
here.
where...
That's what
handy where that...
Esther said. Should have Dave here. He
One
has
of those
memories.
cellars that you open the... I remember...
Storm doors.
Yeah, and I do remember a cow being butchered or something down there.
Ooh.
I was pretty young when they moved to Auburn.
Oh.
Me too. You were 5, I was 4.
Tell us about the rat poison.
I apparently consumed it when I was 2 or 3. Yep, rushed to the hospital.
Was it tasty?
I don't remember any of that. It was Denise. She brought it me out. Mom! Mom! Colleen ate that stuff. Rushed to the hospital for a pump. I'm here today to tell the story.
The old barn. Grandfather had a garage up there. I bet it looks altogether different too, doesn't it, Greg?
Well, the silver maple's still there.
Where's the silver maple? The big one isn't. Big one.
But I mean, when they moved it to the swamp, it grew up again.
I guess so. Look at it.
There's a cross there.
Right down there. I can remember that. That is where we were. That looks familiar.
There's a spring somewhere down that way.
What year did you leave the farm, Marjorie?
I don't know. No, I forget. I was 17 years old. See, that was all pasture up. There was no. It was all great. That's like it is now. It's like that.
So that's the same barn your grandfather drove the car through.
That's the same one, though they got siding on it. See, the top of it's wooden. See, with the same barn.
That's the same wood on the sides. It looks like.
Yeah, but the thing of door there was never there. It was on where the horse was looking at.
Right. Oh, I remember that well.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll shoot each other.
We probably just set a videotape.
Yeah? I don't remember that.
There's apple trees all along there.
We had some
Cherry tree up there.
along that. There was gooseberry bushes somewhere in there.
I remember the raspberry bushes all across the road there,
That was blackberry.
and raspberry.
Was there raspberry?
In my day.
Oh, in your day.
Yeah, we used to get
I bet you they're not there no more.
Where did I used to go to sing for a quarter?
There's a horse in there.
Whatever he gave me.
Yeah.
Well, that's a skinny looking tree over there. It's loosened.
I can't understand what that do with that.
Oh.
That's what
You had a lot of machinery, did you?
I didn't have a lot of machinery. I wasn't machinery poor like they are today, some of them. I hired certain things out and changed work with one fellow. I used to plow for him, he done my seeding. be long for this place to just be all the people. They're gone down now.